wonderful. In a good way, I hope.
Yes, absolutely.
This is Daryl. I met this fine gentleman yesterday. Daryl, what was your favorite part about today?
Just the energy for one thing, but the positive delivery couldn't have been better. It was timely, effective, which is important.
Thank you so much, Daryl. Appreciate it, brother. You were too kind.
It's a good wake-up call this morning.
Thank you so much, man. It was a pleasure. Thank you, man.
And it makes a big difference.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yes,
I enjoyed it very much.
Thank you very much, man. Did I get you?
Yes, you did.
Oh, man, you said stop, didn't you? Oh, I think I heard you.